리셉션이 열리는 이곳에 프랑스 국방부 장관과 영국 대사가 함께 참석합니다.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais là? Ok, allez, pardon.
Smile and do your time. It'll be good for your career. I'm supposed to help the ambassador greet our guests.
Cough.
저 여자 어딘가 급하고 비장해 보인다 싶었더니 많은 시간 동안 준비해 온 듯한 테러리스트들의 공격이 시작되고 있는데 목숨 걸고 국방부 장관을 지켜야 한다.
On va essayer de sortir par l'entrée de service.
Plus d'une centaine d'otages, dont le ministre de la Défense et l'ambassadeur du Royaume-Uni.
Minister of Defense Philip Badin.
국방부 장관 대신 MI6 지국장을 발견한 테러리스트 제이컵 피어스.
Stand up. Roman Alexander.
What do you want?
When we've located the minister, then we'll get started.
한편 위험 상황에 빠진 MI6 요원 자라 테일러. 국방부 장관을 보호 중인 경호관 맹상 탈레브.
We have a burning jeep in Afghanistan.
Drop it.
Vincent Taleb, I am the Minister of Defense's protection officer.
I'm Zara. This is Milo, the cloak attendant. French Foreign Legion.
Someone in HR, you know a lot about special forces tattoos.
그런데 지켜야 할 국방부 장관이 사라졌다. 바로 잡혀간 것.
Do you remember me, Minister?
You're Jacob Pearce.
Inside a Taliban jail, being tortured, raped for 6 years. And I thought about you a lot.
I have a daughter.
My men also had daughters,
I can get you money.
and they were slaughtered. Good men, all gone.
복수심에 빠져있는 남자 제이컵은 상황을 점점 더 심각하게 끌고 가는데
It's been a while since I did this kind of thing.
When you hear the shooting, kill the light.
You want to urinate, but you're afraid of what the people here might think of you. Just let it go. Tirez.
상황은 어중간하게 마무리되었고 MI6 지국장 로아는 안타깝게 목숨을 잃습니다.
Je suis une équipe de snipers sur le toit. Tout de suite, je peux vous parler 2 minutes.
Je me suis pissé dessus en public. J'ai cru que j'allais mourir.
제이컵은 대체 누구?
Dans la Légion étrangère, il a chassé les talibans dans la région, établi l'électricité et l'eau courante. Orhan était le chef de la section locale des MI6 à Kaboul.
로안이 그에게 탈레반 사령관 제거를 지시했는데 탈레반 위치를 잘못 알려주는 바람에 제이컵은 붙잡혀 감옥살이를 했다는 것.
Pourquoi il veut vous tuer?
Cinglé.
J'étais si inquiète. I hid in my office until it was all over.
This is crazy.
아직 작전을 끝내지 않은 듯 보이는데 이번엔 어떤 계획을 세우는 것일까?
Je pense souvent au moment passé ensemble.
Je suis soulagée de savoir que tu es sain et sauf.
맹상과 연인 관계인 프랑스 대통령 줄리엣.
Présidente, Prime Minister, they're ready for you.
La nuit dernière,
C'est une attaque envers les peuples français et britanniques.
French and the British governments stand shoulder to shoulder.
현장에 있었던 자라는 사건 조사에 함께 나서기로 합니다.
Tis Garnier, head of counter-terrorism. I'm leading the task force.
Zara Taylor, MI6.
Please.
That's Alex Clark. He served with Pierce in Afghanistan.
They all served with Pierce in the Foreign Legion.
인상적 인물 발견. 장교 폭행 후 쫓겨나 민간 군 계약자로 일했다는 프레야 칼손.
What about the weapons recovered from the embassy?
Forensics were able to recover one of them. Karim Hassan.
제이컵을 찾는 유일한 방법은 이자를 찾는 것.
Why would Pierce blame Philippe and Rowan?
Pierce had stopped following orders. The best way to deal with Pierce would be to betray him to the Taliban.
넌 장관에게 속은 거야.
I need you to get a hold of Vincent Talib's military service record.
Il a battu Rowan sous mes yeux.
Y a aucune preuve.
On s'en fout des preuves. S'il apprend que t'es impliqué, t'es le prochain sur sa liste.
Mon père dit que je peux pas rester avec lui.
C'est normal, il veut te protéger.
Vous allez le protéger.
Je te promets.
그렇게 돌아가던 클로이. 뭔가 심상치 않다. 클로이는 납치됩니다.
Chloé.
제이컵의 다음 계획이었던 것.
Lock the door. Open the bottom right-hand drawer of your desk.
그가 노린 건 장관의 목숨.
I want you to put the gun to your head. You blow your brains out. We blow Chloe's brains out. You're very good at choosing who lives and who dies. 8, 3.
결국 장관은 죽어버립니다.
You're the man who shot me.
Let her go.
You'll find her at 71 Rue Didier. You tell your bosses that I'll be in touch.
당장 클로이를 구하러 달려갑니다.
Allez, 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 on ouvre.
T'es blessé? Ça va? Allez, ça y est, c'est fini.
잔인한 제이컵. 그의 복수는 이제 시작되었다. 맹상과 자라는 지금 카리마산 미행 중. 그 와중에 누군가에게 가방 넘긴 모습 포착.
I have eyes on the bag.
하지만
My bad. Désolé.
제대로 찾은 듯. 찾아서 데리고 와야 할 카림은 죽어버림.
I get you both transferred to the task force.
Very similar backpacks.
그 가방엔 다음 타깃을 향한 무기가 들어있었는데 다음 타깃은 제이컵과 부하들을 탈레반에 넘긴 이들 중 하나인 파스칼 몰랭.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Un appel pour vous, Jacob Pierce.
You're making a fortune selling weapons to very bad people. Years of imprisonment and torture. Price on the lives of 2,300 million euro should just about cover it.
그러니까 이건 지극히 한설인 개인의 복수극.
I have a sniper on a rooftop somewhere in Paris.
Famille est en sécurité.
I'm not paying you a single euro.
There's a link in the email I sent you.
바로 응징당한 후 협박에 시달리는 몰랭.
He's given us a list of his family and friends. We're warning anyone who might be a target. Recherche une Citroën C5 Saloon grise. Chaque flic de Paris doit être à la recherche de cette voiture.
일단 저격수부터 찾기 시작합니다.
You want to start?
There was one guard, said his name was Hassan. Beat me, torture me, rape me. Philip Barden, Rowan Alexander, Pascal Moulin. Trade me and my men to the Taliban.
Un parking dans la rue Clausel.
Lose the siren.
이번엔 다른 대상자를 찾아간 저격수.
Ils disent que n'importe quelle connaissance de Pascal peut être une cible. Ils disent qu'il faut qu'on quitte la ville. Je passe te prendre au travail.
Je suis de la cellule antiterroriste. Danger.
빠르게 저격수를 잡아야 한다.
This is embarrassing.
눈앞에서 저격수를 놓친 자라는 허탈 그 잡채.
Wow, you discharged from the army. I read your service record. It said you disobeyed orders.
I light the target with a laser. They call in an airstrike. Kids are running around, laughing. So I redirect the laser to a derelict building.
그때 취해 있는 자라의 룸메이트 테아를 데리고 온 두 사람.
Hi.
She doesn't know what I do.
You've never told her.
She's an addict. I'm risking my job just being with her.
See you.
Thanks.
제이콥 때문에 하루하루가 위험한 물랭.
Combien de nos amis on va devoir laisser mourir comme ça? Donne-lui ce qu'il veut.
돈을 주면 모든 게 끝이 날까? 물랭의 아들 조엘이 여친과 문자 중인데 이건 함정. 한편 제이콥의 테러 이유에 대해 서서히 밝혀지기 시작합니다.
I just spoke with my contact at the CIA. While Pierce was in Lahore, someone planted an explosive device in the
I mean, someone was trying to stop Pierce revealing how he was betrayed to the Taliban.
Pierce wasn't using his car that day.
그 차의 폭발로 사망한 이는 아내와 두 자녀. 조엘이 사라진 걸 뒤늦게 한 물랭의 신고로 현장으로 달려가는 두 사람.
I see him. Green hoodie. Black cap.
I've got him.
이번 타깃은 조엘.
I don't have a shot. You see the ice cream cart.
You need to break cover and run for it.
나무가 저격수의 시야를 가릴 것을 믿으며 저격수 방향으로 뛰어가야 하는데 자라의 작전이 통했다.
Drop it! Drop your gun!
제대로 맞아버린 듯 숨을 거두는 저격수.
Do you ever think that's going to be you lying there, bleeding out?
One of the messages refers to a guy called Cédric Duval.
괴로운 기억을 떠올리는 제이콥.
We are going to the market. I won't be long.
도저히 용서할 수가 없을 듯. 결국 물랭의 집까지 쳐들어옵니다.
Where's your family?
They're sleeping.
We better not wake them then.
I paid you.
Let's go.
역시 물랭의 목숨이 최후 목적.
I can't be bought. I can't be negotiated with. Understand me? Coming for all of them.
제이콥의 복수는 멈추지 않는데 물랭의 집에 들이닥친 자라와 맹상.
Security services have just admitted that Cédric Duval was one of their operatives.
세드리커가 제이콥의 차에 폭발물을 설치했던 것. 그는 벌써 제이콥에게 죽을 위기.
I need to know the name of your handler and the person who authorized that mission.
I only know my handler's code name. I don't know.
On a trouvé Cédric Duval.
To torture someone when you've been tortured yourself.
They've given us the name of Cedric's handler.
제이콥보다 먼저 찾아야 하는데
Cédric Duval est mort. Une équipe de l'antiterrorisme est en route vers chez toi.
Béatrice Paquin?
She's worked for the security services for almost 30 years. Before she retired, she was running Black Ops in Central Asia.
Well, as soon as it happens, I will let you know.
Talking to your employees about me again. You get paid very well for killing people.
Are we doing this?
2 years ago, operatives from the French External Security Agency, the DGSE, planted a bomb under my car.
작전에 관여한 사람을 알려주면 500만 유로를 주겠다는 제이콥.
Click the link below.
We need the names of everyone else involved before someone gives them to Pierce.
그녀를 급히 안전가옥으로 데려갑니다.
Pierce wasn't using the car that day. Cédric made a mistake.
We need to know who else was involved in the operation.
브리핑에 참석하기 위해 오던 대통령과 마주침.
Enchantée, Madame la Présidente.
뭐지? 이 묘한 기류는?
I have a ventricular bradycardia. My doctors say it will probably kill me in the next few years.
Is that why you retired?
Stress is bad for your heart, apparently. Do you like Indonesian food?
It's delicious.
The name of the person who authorized killing Pierce.
You want to use me as bait?
What are you talking about? Pierce will kill her.
She knows I'm going to die soon anyway.
Pierce is going to kill more people. You have the chance to stop him.
You're even more of a manipulator than I was.
기분상의 자리를 뜬 베아트리스.
You want to share your plans with me first?
하지만 곧 결정을 내립니다.
If we do this, Pierce is going to suspect it's a trap.
There's even a chance of finding the person who murdered the woman he loved.
Café.
One last operation.
They're going to first scan you for trackers.
You have a pacemaker?
A built-in tracker. They can scan me all they want.
Pierce is going to kill her.
We have a chance to catch Pierce.
That doesn't mean we let her.
위험하지만 시도해보기랍니다.
You like her, don't you? How are we gonna feel if Pierce puts a bullet in her head?
That's not your plan, so I guess it's on me.
관련 인물을 알고 있다고 메시지를 보낸 후 제이컵의 전화를 기다리는 중.
I received your message. You have the name that I want? Because I was Cédric Duval's handler.
I'll give you the name in person.
You know I'm gonna kill you if you do.
I'll be dead soon anyway.
Do we have a deal? I'll text instructions to this number.
이게 마지막이라는 직감이 온 듯. 오랫동안 연락을 끊고 살았던 아들에게 전화 거는 베아트리스.
C'est pas parlé depuis 5 ans et tu m'appelles pour me demander comment ça va?
J'ai des problèmes de santé qui m'ont fait réfléchir à mes choix de vie. Je suis désolée si je n'ai pas pu être là pour toi.
Je suis désolée si je te fais du mal.
Tu es heureux?
Je sais pas, on se sort pas trop mal.
J'ai ouvert un compte bancaire à ton nom, je t'enverrai. J'espère que ça te rendra plus heureux que je n'ai pu le faire.
She's on the move. Turn left at the junction.
약속 장소에 도착합니다.
She stopped moving. Pull over. She's heading to the other side of the park.
I don't see anyone following her.
Merci.
À toutes les unités, elle est dans un véhicule vers direction sud.
She's on the bus.
Bravo 2, monte dans le bus.
Ok, reçu.
과연 미행을 들키지 않을 수 있을 것인가?
J'ai un visuel. À toutes les unités, gardez vos distances.
제이컵 측에선 사고를 일으켜 교통체증을 유발하는데
Bravo 4, il y a un carambolage. Le tunnel est bloqué.
버스 안에 있었던 제이컵.
Don't turn around. Give her your bank details.
바로 500만 유로를?
You understand why you deserve to die.
Pierce est dans le bus.
Ok, on arrive.
하지만
As soon as the money is in my account, I'll give you the name.
I'll try to distract him.
Prenez tout le monde les mains sur le volant.
It's done.
I'll need that name. The name.
버스 안으로 진입하는 게 쉽지 않은 상황. 그 사이 버스에서 나가는 제이컵.
Allez vers le fond du tunnel, tout le monde, tout le monde.
베아트리스는 위독한 상황.
Reste avec moi.
Qui ça dit que ce serait là?
Patrice, reste avec moi, s'il vous plaît.
Puis je te tiens le temps. Le président.
충격받을 시간도 없이 죽어버린 베아트리스.
It was a good plan.
I feel like she died for nothing.
Beatrice told me who authorized the operation to kill Pierce. It was the president.
We should warn the president's security team.
I'll handle it.
Someone gave it to me. They had to leave.
Still qui marche.
Put it down.
I just want to know why you carry a gun in your bag.
Thea.
대통령을 찾은 명상.
Si on apprenait, Philippe avait trahi Pierce et ses hommes. Et les avait livrés aux talibans, c'était la chute du gouvernement.
Une femme et des enfants innocents ont été assassinés.
Des gens meurent tous les jours.
Jacob Pierce est au courant.
대통령을 마지막 복수 대상자로 정한 제이컵.
The palace is on lockdown. All the president's public engagements have been cancelled.
Zara, I'm sending you a recent photo of Sean Walker.
That's Sean. I think he spotted us.
빠르게 본부에 알리고 쫓아갑니다. 잠시 고민하다가 순조롭게 체포될 생각이 1도 없는 시온.
Coup de feu tiré, feu de la clôture.
Vincent.
트렁크에서 발견된 한 여자의 시신.
Was running a skydiving school with her husband.
Let's go to San Subios and talk to the husband.
There must be a reason why Pierce wanted her killed.
제이컵과 무슨 관련이 있는 걸까? 제이컵은 또 다른 작전을 계획 중.
Je vais vider la poubelle. It's done.
Well, if he pulls it off, he'll crash the markets. Well, if it becomes a problem, you know what to do.
다른 작전이 시작되는데.
Which one is he?
Delta 4. We need to wait until it's on the marker.
Wow, the president.
A few months after she was elected, the economy was crashing. People were losing their jobs. Everyone blamed her. Both knew it had no future, so...
맹상의 연인인 대통령 얘기 중인 이 시간.
Monk,
Switch off all transponders.
시스템 다운. 지금 델타4는 고도 6,000m에서 눈 감고 날고 있는 상황.
Skies are closed.
Prepare for an emergency landing at Saint-Soubirous.
We go.
하필 두 사람이 도착한 곳은 제이컵이 비행기 착륙을 기다리는 곳.
I'm looking for Gerard Allard. Do you have his cell number?
Of course, in the office. Should we take him out? Do nothing till it is on the ground.
Here it is.
No signal.
You can use that phone.
그때 날아오는 델타4를 목격합니다. 뭔가 이상한데?
The number's not recognized.
이 작은 비행장에 화물기가 착륙하다니 뭐지?
Get underground! Hands behind your head. Okay. Show me your ID. I'm police. Air traffic control's gone down. They close all the airspace.
급 시작된 무차별 총격.
We are under attack. We need immediate assistance.
What are you carrying? Uranium!
드디어 조종사 앞에 모습을 드러낸 제이컵.
We're stopped. Captain, open the door.
Oscar, when I hijack a plane, I like to know who's flying it. Have one of my men standing outside your house and let us onto the plane.
Captain, open the door.
가족을 두고 협박당하자 갈등이 심하게 온 조종사. 결국 그가 원하는 대로 레버를 내리고 제이컵을 태우기로 결정합니다.
We've got helicopters inbound. Get us up into the air now.
에스토니아 발전소로 운송될 우라늄을 싣고 있었던 비행기는 이렇게 제이컵에게 납치됩니다. 제이컵은 도대체 이 사실을 어떻게 한 거지?
So that's what this is all about.
I know you're doing your job. I did my job also. Stab me in the back.
제이컵의 목적 달성이 눈앞에 다가온 듯
We'll do the same to you.
자신의 의도를 간결히 설명한 후 작전을 계속 진행합니다. 제이컵과 브로디는 그렇게 가버립니다. 최소한 저급 방사능 폭탄으로 변해 쑥대밭으로 만들어버릴 우라늄을 가진 채.
D'après nos estimations, cela pourrait raser plusieurs kilomètres carrés.
Blackout total dans les médias. Pas de compte rendu, pas de fuite, pas de rumeur. Trouvez cet uranium.
Maybe he has someone in the security services helping him. Pierce doesn't even have to detonate it. He just has to threaten to. Your ex-girlfriend's in an impossible position.
I've started seeing her again. After what she did to Pierce, I'm not sure I even...
You have to end it.
I know.
But you're not going to.
대통령을 향한 제이컵의 복수가 시작되는데
It's been a long time. You have the material?
이제 우라늄으로 폭탄을 만들 순서.
Killing her isn't enough.
제이컵은 대통령이 한 짓을 세상 사람들에게 다 알리겠다는 의도인 듯. 대통령을 사랑하는 맹상은 고민하다 그녀를 찾아갑니다.
C'est rien, t'inquiète pas.
J'ai peur. J'ai peur. Je laisserai personne te faire du mal.
그 시간 완성되어가는 폭탄. 맹상과 자라는 죽은 숀 워커가 제이컵과 관련이 있다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Walker visited the apartment building 3 times between May and June. Originally, he's from Arghandab in southern Afghanistan.
Can't be a coincidence.
당장 사미 벤사이드라는 남자를 찾아야 한다.
There's the connection to Pierce.
제이컵의 자녀들이 셋이었어.
I'm gonna check the feed.
Sami bin Said is walking back to the apartment.
Nearly there.
Yeah, he's about to come in now.
Oh.
빨리 나가야 하는데 늦었다.
Essen must have come to France after Amina was killed.
There's no record of Essine entering the country. She's here illegally. She works at a hotel in the 10th. Matisse, we locked down the whole area around the tunnel, and Pierre still got away.
분명 내부에 스파이가 있다고 확신한 맹상.
I'll launch an investigation.
After you've killed everyone who wronged you, you think you'll find peace? The only thing that kept me alive was the thought that I might see Amina again one day. They took her away from me again. Not for someone like me. I need to fit the anti-tamper device and insert the detonator. Are you really prepared to? It's on my conscience and not yours.
애쉬는 누군가에게 돈을 갚고 있는 상황.
I give you the rest next week.
I want my money by Friday.
3일을 열심히 감시하는 두 사람.
Ça va? Ça a été ta journée?
Ça va et toi?
애신과 사미는 사랑하는 사이.
Ça te ferait quelque chose, toi, si on devait quitter Paris?
Non mais Essine, du moment qu'on est ensemble, tout va.
He's warned her to leave the city because of the bomb.
제이컵에게 연락하는 게 틀림없어.
If she's in touch with Pierce, we need to clone her phone.
다음 날 애신의 휴대폰을 복제하려고 시도합니다.
Office de l'immigration, préparez vos passeports et vos cartes d'identité pour un contrôle.
Essine Saïd.
휴대폰 확보 성공.
Les talibans sont revenus, on n'était plus en sécurité.
C'est recours à des passeurs. Ça vous a coûté combien?
10 000, j'ai pas fini de régler. Vous allez me renvoyer en Afghanistan? Warren,
La France ne renvoie plus personne depuis que les talibans sont revenus au pouvoir.
ça veut dire que je peux rester ici?
Oui.
Ok, c'est bon. Elle est en règle.
애신과 사미를 노려보는 누군가.
Essen and Pierce have been messaging each other.
Can you trace the phone Pierce is using?
The number's withheld.
한편 폭탄은 완성되었다.
Done.
Was it you? Someone told the immigration people that I supply stuff to the hotel.
아, 저거였지.
You know what happens to people who f with my business?
I didn't tell them anything, I swear.
참을 수 없다.
Maybe I cut your face.
Vous êtes le monsieur de l'immigration?
Tu le connais?
막고 있는데 가만히 있을 순 없었다고.
You blew it. Our job is to catch Pierce.
서먹해졌지만 임무는 계속해야 하는 상황.
It's been lying there awake for hours.
Tu fais quoi?
Je t'aime.
Ouais, moi aussi.
She's gonna run.
지난밤의 일들을 생각하다 분명 자신을 잡으러 온 거라고 확신한 애신.
Call once to arm it, call the second time to detonate.
The security services found me.
I'll find out what they know and message you on this number.
애신을 쫓는 두 사람.
She's on Alexandre Dumas. Take the next left. That's her. Okay, go around the other side.
하지만 애신 역시 만만한 상대가 아니었는데.
Take the pathway on the left. She's heading up the stairs. She's here. We're right on top of her.
여권의 추적 장치를 신문가에 눈치챈 애신은 다행히 제이컵을 찾아갑니다.
You get you out the country through Belgium.
What about Sammy?
You have to finish what they started. Do you understand?
You wouldn't want this, Maman.
And we know for certain that Pierce is someone in the task force. I'll bring in a surveillance team from Berry. We'll put a tap on the hotel landlines.
그날 밤 애신이 사미에게 전화하는 신호가 포착됩니다.
Essine a appelé Sami Ben Saïd.
Amour, calme-toi, calme-toi. Dis-moi où tu es, je viens te chercher. Essine, non, s'il te plaît, Essine. Essine, non.
결국 위치가 발각되는데
They found us. 15 minutes.
Essine, wake up.
이미 만반의 준비 후 숨어있는 제이컵. 아무래도 다수의 희생이 기다리고 있는 듯.
Piégé.
Wait.
Helicopter's 2 minutes out.
Essine, here.
I'm gonna find another way to the roof.
이제 이곳에서 나가기만 하면 끝인 상황. 하지만
Piège à la porte!
Jacob, you have to leave her. Stay there or I will f***ing shoot you. Last chance.
You keep her safe from me, you understand? You let her go.
자라의 생각대로 항복하는 제이컵.
For her.
Get on your knees.
결국 제이컵만 체포됩니다.
Get down.
아무 저항 없이 끌려가는 제이컵. 그의 마지막 복수는 이대로 실패할 것인가?
Tell us where the bomb is, and we can cut a deal.
대답 대신 갑자기 일어서더니
You comfortable?
The Taliban, when I moved with a blowtorch.
There are details of some bank accounts he's being paid money into.
We wouldn't have got Pierce if it wasn't for you.
제이컵 때문에 고민 중인 대통령.
Il va être inculpé et jugé. Trouver une solution définitive.
하지만 제이컵은 자신을 빼내려는 작전이 시작된 걸 알게 됩니다. 다음날 함께 일하던 루카스가 스파이였던 거?
He was working for Pierce.
I can't believe it was Lucas.
It's a statement of a bank account Pierce was putting money into.
자신은 아니라고 주장하는데
The task force have found his phone account.
Must have been hacked then.
We never wrote that.
Let's monitor his phone. Hey, Simone.
Me and Lucas dated for a little while. Can't believe he sold out for money. When we were dating, he never once paid for dinner.
They're holding him at the task force headquarters.
What if Pierce reveals our role in financing the operation?
He isn't going to talk.
Do you have a plan to get him out?
We are working on it.
다시 제이컵을 만난 두 사람.
What are you gonna do? We put her on a plane to Afghanistan, hand her over to the Taliban.
I won't come for you, Zara, but I will come for the people you love.
애신을 두고 협박하는 자라에게 더 강력한 경고를 날립니다.
He knows my name.
아무것도 못 알아냈는데 제이컵을 한 공군기지로 옮긴다는 소식에 황당한 두 사람.
Maybe I should try talking to him alone. He thinks we have some kind of connection. I was a soldier. I know how it feels to be betrayed. What if the president admits her responsibility for the death?
Would you take a bullet for her?
If I had to, yes.
For those we really love?
Do you want me to speak to the president or not?
대답 없는 제이컵.
Transferring Pierce to the airfield so they can fly him out to a black site in Morocco.
그런데 그걸 승인한 사람이 대통령.
Wants to stop Pierce revealing what she did.
제이컵을 빼내오는 작전은 시작됩니다.
Everything's ready.
Lucas just got a message asking if they plan to move Jacob. Let's tell them the route.
맹상과 자라 또한 나름의 계획을 세워 제이컵을 놓치지 않기로 결심합니다. 바로 바꿔치기 작전.
How long until they reach the airbase?
In about 15 minutes.
그런데 뭔가 수상하다.
Ne laissez personne voir que ce n'est pas Pierce. The convoy just arrived at the air base.
Maybe they knew it was a trap.
What if it's not just Lucas?
헉! 설마. 뭐야? 시몬이었던 거?
Salut Simone.
Bonsoir.
Ouais, Simone. Simone found something in his cell.
저거 분명 함정인데.
I swear to f***ing God I will shoot you if you don't stop.
Zara!
Simone!
Ruben, lâche ton arme! Ruben, t'es pas un vrai mec du raid qui essaie de libérer Pierce pour qu'ils attaquent le convoi.
Il est encore dans le bâtiment.
Vincent.
They're coming for Pierce.
Baisse ton arme!
Toi, lâche ton arme!
Y'a de faux agents du raid dans le bâtiment! Ils essayent de libérer Pierce!
N'en fais pas partie!
Comment tu t'appelles?
Flo.
Ok, Flo.
Ok, moi aussi.
이런. 제이컵을 놓친 자라.
Come on, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. Okay, let's go. Simone?
Anthony, be very proud of what you did tonight.
시몬을 보고 놀란 두 사람.
Simon must have hacked Lucas's phone and planted the other evidence.
She sells out for money. It doesn't make sense.
Allez tous bien vous faire foutre.
루카스는 스파이 아니었음. 한편 대통령은
Tu comptais vraiment envoyer Pierce dans une prison de la CIA? La vérité, tu comptais le laisser crever là-bas. En tout cas, je le tuerai pas pour couvrir quelque chose dont je suis responsable.
Je fais ce que je peux.
이제 정말 제이컵의 무시무시한 마지막 복수만이 남았다.
Did you get a message to the president for me?
그의 마지막 복수는 성공할 것인가?
Donne 48 heures pour te rendre. Sinon, il fera exploser une bombe d'uranium dans le centre de Paris.
한적한 파리 시내를 노리고 있는 제이컵의 무서운 계획. 급하게 벙커로 대피해 방안을 논의하고 실행하려는 대통령.
Madame la Présidente. Ils n'ont pas détecté la moindre trace d'uranium pour l'instant. Une telle dose d'uranium pourrait contaminer une zone d'environ 4 km².
Nous pourrions être amenés à évacuer toute la ville.
Ça pourrait pousser Pierce à déclencher la bombe.
Il y a une autre option. Je me rends à Pierce.
어쩌면 해답일 수도 있지만 이 시간 시몬의 여동생 SNS에서 누군가의 사진이 발견되는데
He served under Pierce in the Foreign Legion. He was killed in the ambush.
They were dating?
Yeah, there is no official record of their relationship.
당장 시몬의 여동생 집 주소를 찾아 달려갑니다. 그녀는 집을 떠나려고 했던 듯.
Simone told you to leave the city, didn't she?
Did Simone give you this phone? It's a burner phone, isn't it?
There's a bomb somewhere in Paris. If it goes off, thousands of people will die.
결국 솔직하게 털어놓습니다.
Simone messaged me last night to leave the city.
On a peut-être une piste pour retrouver Simone. Tu peux me localiser un numéro de téléphone, s'il te plaît?
한편 투항하겠다는 대통령을 말리는 중.
Cela mettrait à mal la crédibilité de notre pays.
Nous avons moins de 24 heures. Ordonnez cette évacuation. Je peux faire une croix sur mon mandat présidentiel.
Si vous traversez cette crise,
Combien d'innocents vont devoir mourir pour que je paraisse forte?
제이컵의 목적이 자신의 명성과 업적 파괴라는 걸 알고 있는 듯. 시몬이 숨어 있었을 만한 곳을 추적해 달려갔지만 이미 사라졌다.
She was here.
On fouille les autres étages. Compris.
그런데 사라진 게 아니라 숨어 있었던 시몬. 아, 자라, 위험해. 뭐야, 죽은 척?
Raid have sealed the building. We know about Anthony. Let's get revenge on the people responsible for his...
그때 맹상 발견.
This detonates the bomb. Thousands of people will die. Your sister's still in Paris.
She's with friends in Nantes.
She's at her apartment with Ruben.
You tell him to get her out of the city.
You should talk to her.
이때가 기회.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Je t'en supplie. Faut absolument que tu leur dises où est cette bombe. Écoute-moi, tu m'entends?
폭탄의 위치를 알아내는데 성공합니다.
The bomb is inside a van parked in Avenue de Saxe. It checks in with Pierce every 15 minutes.
Bomb disposal officers will attempt to disarm the device.
폭탄이 터지기 일보 직전인 상황. 제이컵을 위험인물이라 여긴 고용주는 작전이 끝나는 대로 제이컵을 죽이라고 지시하는데
I'll handle it.
I've hacked into Pierce's video feed. We're monitoring the cameras.
아직 제이컵 측에선 눈치 못 챈 상황. 다행히 들어가는데 성공. 그런데 화면을 빨리 바꿔야 해.
Switching to the recording.
빠른 시간 내에 폭발물 해체만이 남았는데
There's no time to deploy the robot.
Mettez-vous derrière la voiture.
I don't see any booby traps in the doors of the van. I'm going to bridge. I need an X-ray to see what's inside. 7 bars of TNT and about 200 kilos of ammonium nitrate. I can bypass them, but it will take time.
How long?
20 minutes. I rush it, there is a chance the bomb will detonate.
And Pierce is gonna know there's something wrong when the lookout doesn't check it.
20분이라는 시간이 너무 길게 느껴지는 두 사람. 방법은 오직 하나.
On a besoin d'une escorte.
Stole a lot of cars when I was younger.
두 사람은 일단 폭발물을 옮기기로 합니다. 감시원에게 전화를 건 제이콥. 바로 눈치챈 듯.
On est coincé dans les bouchons là. Trouve une solution, vite.
Ok, je m'en occupe.
The camera's alive. Pierce must have reset them.
난감한 상황.
You have something that belongs to me. Your president has chose to save herself rather than her own people. Bring her to me.
I can't do that.
You told me she trusts you.
I'll never get her away from her security.
Hundreds of innocent people will die in her place.
이런. 결국 제이콥의 무시무시한 협박에 맹상은
Okay, I'll bring her to you.
The deadline still stands. All the police units back. You bring me the president, or I will detonate. Walk away from the van.
He was going to detonate the bomb. I had no choice.
L'opération de déminage a échoué. Nous n'avons plus le temps.
폭탄 해체 실패 소식에 국민들에게 대피 명령을 내리기로 결정합니다.
Terroriste responsable de ces attaques de la faire exploser en plein centre de Paris. Je déclare
L'état d'urgence.
이로 인해 주식시장은 폭락하고 모두 혼란에 빠지는데
Périphérique, la circulation est à l'arrêt. Les gens quittent Paris.
자라의 룸메이트 테아를 납치할 계획인 듯.
We need her as an insurance policy.
Understood.
There's a way to stop Pierce detonating the bomb. She kills him.
What?
Pierce is blinded by his hate for her. He won't expect it.
너무 위험하지만 성공 가능성이 높은 자라의 아이디어.
Her team will never allow it.
Well, then you have to get her away from them.
L'évacuation se passe comme prévu.
Vous avez vu ce que les gens disent de moi, que je suis une lâche, n'est pas à la hauteur de son pays.
Vous ne pouviez rien faire de plus. Vincent demande l'autorisation d'entrer dans le bunker.
결국 뱅상은 대통령에게 위험한 제안을 하려고 하는데
Vous pouvez nous laisser. Comment vous avez fait pour empêcher Pierce de faire sauter la bombe?
C'est de te livrer à lui et que tu le tues.
완전 놀란 대통령. 유일한 방법이라고 생각한 듯 결국 뱅상의 의견을 따르기로 합니다.
Je resterai toujours avec toi. Ça va aller. Un médecin! Vite, 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 vite. Madame la présidente? Elle sentait pas bien, je l'ai allongée, elle a perdu connaissance. On l'amène à l'hôpital.
그렇게 벙커에서 나가는 대통령.
On l'amène dans l'hélicoptère. Préparez une équipe de...
Priorité à l'atterrissage. Donnez-nous 5 minutes.
그럼 서서히 시작해볼까? 미안하지만 일단 작전은 성공합니다.
Voilà.
Vous l'avez perdu?
C'est pas exactement. They found us.
뱅상과 자라는 신속히 대통령을 데리고 제이콥을 찾습니다.
L'hélicoptère a été localisé.
Bloquez toutes les sorties de la forêt.
D'accord.
Do you trust him to deliver the president?
No.
When the president announced the evacuation, the financial market went into freefall.
We need to find out who's behind DCX Capital.
You still love her.
She's not the person I fell in love with. Maybe she never was.
드디어 정신이 돌아온 대통령과 제이콥에게 가는 중.
Nord, c'est l'euro, Oujin Oudinet.
They've spotted us. Go faster, go, 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 go.
Le Mercedes noir s'approche du tunnel droite.
들키지 않기 위해 차를 바꿔탑니다.
Véhicule suspect prend la sortie vers le rue ouest qui mène à la selle.
따돌리기 성공. 이 시간 약속 장소에 도착한 제이컵. 일이 이렇게 되어버렸지만 자신의 정체성은 명예로운 군인이라는 걸 보여주고 싶었던 것일까? 경건한 마음으로 제복을 입고 대통령을 기다립니다. 그리고 맹상과 자라 또한 대통령과 함께 도착합니다.
Il n'est pas chargé.
Et s'il me tue sur le coup?
T'entends dire que t'as tué Amina Saïd et ses enfants, c'est tout. Donne. On va s'entraîner. Range-la aussi. On est d'accord, quand t'entends le premier coup de feu, sors ton main et tu vides le chargeur jusqu'à la dernière balle.
과연 잘할 수 있을까?
If you have a shot.
I'll take it.
모든 준비를 끝낸 제이컵.
I'll send you the location.
When do I get paid?
I'm transferring it now.
It's armed.
제이컵은 폭탄을 터뜨릴 스위치까지 갖게 되고
So your employers ordered you to kill me when it's done? Will you?
자라가 먼저 건물 뒤쪽으로 접근합니다. 그리고 제이컵이 가장 잘 보이는 곳을 찾는 중.
We're in position. I see a car and the bomb van.
이제 가야 할 시간.
T'entends le premier coup de feu. Tu tires.
대통령이 오는 모습을 지켜보는 제이컵.
Bring her to me.
긴장된 순간 또 하나의 인질이 잡혀 있었는데 자라의 룸메이트 테아.
Zara, do you have a shot?
Hold your fire.
준비성 철저한 제이컵.
We can all die or just her. You have my word. You give her to me and I'll let Thea go. That's far enough. And let her go.
Ça va aller.
Vincent.
저격할 수조차 없는 상황.
Zara, take the shot.
모두 다 위험해집니다. 제이컵을 써야 한다는 생각뿐인 대통령. 다행히 태아는 무사한데.
You're okay. It's just a graze.
대통령에게 총을 맞아 치명상을 입은 게 분명한 제이컵. 일이 끝나면 고용주에게 죽이라는 지시를 받았지만 이미 부상이 심한 상황.
I'm out of here.
이제 마지막 복수를 실행할 수 있게 되었는데.
For them to die.
To serve your own political ambition. Yes. Say it to the camera.
맹상과 자라가 대통령이 잡혀있는 곳에 도착합니다.
To serve my political ambition.
Do you say the names? Amina Saïd, Hussein Saïd, Mosca Saïd.
Amina Saïd, Hussein Saïd and Mosca Saïd murdered. To serve my political ambition.
그때 나타난 맹상.
Jacob! The world has heard it. You have your confession.
제이컵에게 그만하기를 부탁하지만 아직 제이컵은 끝나지 않은 듯.
No one will be able to live in Paris for at least 20 years.
폭발하기 일보 직전. 하지만 위험해. 제이컵과 맹상 둘 다 쓰러집니다. 위험에 빠졌던 파리엔 다시 평화가 찾아옵니다. 대통령을 살리려다 치명상을 당한 맹상.
Sachez que cet aveu
Un pistolet sur la tempe a été autorisé par Philippe Bardin. Je n'en avais nullement connaissance.
실망과 배신감이.
Merci, c'est bon.
J'ai vu ton discours à la télé. C'est bien, t'es une héroïne.
Les gens ont besoin de croire en quelque chose.
Même quand c'est un mensonge.
Mais tu comprendras jamais. Tu as besoin de quelque chose?
Non.
Tu crois que si j'avais pas été présidente, on aurait réussi à être ensemble?
Tu auras été présidente quoi qu'il arrive.
결국 두 사람 사이는 끝이 납니다.
Your girlfriend seems to have come through okay.
Ex-girlfriend.
Lying.
I know.
프랑스를 배경으로 한 TV 시리즈